This is our coil nail factory. We produce many kinds of coil nails, such as painted smooth shank coil nail, painted screw shank coil nail, yellow zinc ring shank coil nail, e.g. ring shank roofing coil nail, e.g. smooth shank roofing coil nail, painted high load coil nail, SS ring shank coil nail, black painted smooth shank coil nail, HDG ring shank coil nail, yellow zinc high load coil nail, etc. Our coil nail factory is a leading manufacturer dedicated to producing top quality coil nails. With state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and a highly skilled workforce, we ensure that our products meet the highest standards of quality and performance. At our coil nail factory, we pay meticulous attention to every detail. From the selection of raw materials to the control of production processes, we have strict quality control measures in place to ensure that each coil nail meets the most stringent quality requirements. Our products undergo rigorous quality testing to ensure their durability, strength, and stability, ensuring exceptional performance in various applications. In addition to delivering high-quality products, we prioritize providing excellent service. Our professional sales team is always available to provide technical support and address any inquiries you may have. We are committed to offering premium pre-sales consultation and reliable after-sales service, ensuring that you receive comprehensive support and a satisfactory experience throughout your purchase and use. Our coil nail factory upholds the values of integrity, quality, and innovation, continually striving for excellence. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory and witness our production processes and quality control firsthand. We look forward to establishing a long-term partnership with you, supplying you with high-quality coil nails and delivering exceptional service.